Finally reached to the top, and this is a view from where I'm standing right now.
Krijg voor kerst op Canvas.
Isn't that amazing? That's breathtaking. That's the best view I've ever seen, ever, you guys. Just look at that.
Die zijn jou heel leuk om te zijn.
Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Woo, sun in my face. So I have to get my glasses. Hold on. That's better. Hi you guys, it is Saturday. So happy Saturday, you guys. Happy Saturday from my gorgeous family and I. We are going, of course, on an adventure today. We are not driving, we're taking the bus today. And Tyler, no stroller. Because the last time we went to this place, we went with the stroller. We had the stroller and we couldn't get to complete the journey, and we couldn't get to see what we wanted to see. So we're going back this time, but without the stroller, so we shall make it to the top. Right, babe? You're excited, Tyler?
Tyler?
Tyler, you haven't said good morning. Say good morning.
Bonjour.
Good morning. So we're actually on our way, walking to the bus stop. We don't even know what time is the bus. You had checked to see what time bus coming? So we're on our way, walking to the bus stop to catch the bus. And I can't even show you guys my outfit of the day today. So that's what I'm wearing today. All kind of model behavior going on today. So yeah, it shall be a good day. It's not even that cold, it's just a little bit chilly. I'm sorry I cannot put on that sweater on Tyler. If I knew that it would have been like that. Thank you. So the weather feels really good. It is bright and sunny, but with just a little bit of chill. Oh, and my battery is on orange, which means it's about to die any minute. So I'm gonna go change my battery, put in my spare. You know, I should have charged this battery if I had followed my mind, but I didn't. So I'm going to change my battery. We're about to hop on the bus. You guys, we are really on an adventure today. So our bus that we were supposed to take will not show up until the next hour. So we have decided to walk about 15 minutes to catch the other bus. So we are just walking down these hills. Baby's juggling with Tyler in front of me. He's juggling. He's juggling with Tyler down this hill.
He was the heel out.
You would have struggled, but going down, it's not bad. So we're on our way to catch the other bus. Hopefully we catch it. Oh, this is so much fun going down this hill. So our adventure started out good. We finally got our bus and we reach our, well, we don't reach our destination, but we're on our way. We're walking, trying to figure out what way is the best way to take to go to this place. But we have a sleeping baby. Tyler fall asleep, so babe carrying him. That's expected though, because it's his nap time. So we're on our way trying to find this place. You guys, this is where we had stopped the last time. I have a workout this morning, but that's okay, because this is today's workout. Trust me. view behind me, you guys, is everything. Look at that. That's amazing. Look at this. Crazy. You guys, I get to see this view every day. Who wanna come and look for me? Who wanna come and visit us so I can take you guys all around these places? This is amazing. Finally reached to the top, and this is a view from where I'm standing right now.
Krijg voor kerst op Canvas.
Isn't that amazing? That's breathtaking. That's the best view I've ever seen, ever, you guys. Just look at that.
Die zijn jou heel leuk, want die zijn nu direct op.
You guys, look at this. Oh my god. That's so freaking amazing. You guys, I'm sure somebody wants to just come and visit me right now, just to come and take in all this goodness right here. Y'all need to come and visit me. So this is our adventure for today. We're on top of the mountain, or on top of a hill, I should say, overlooking Nice, which is amazing. That's breathtaking. So you guys, we take a little stroll to the opposite side, and I'm gonna show you the view from this way. How amazing it is, just as good as the view from the other side. Amazing. You guys, look at this. Look at this. I think we're on the other side, right? Hmm? That's crazy. Isn't that beautiful, Tyler? You like that? Look at that. You like seeing that? Look down there. Look down there. See? That's pretty. That's a lighthouse, babe? Babe? Hey.
Where?
To the right.
Yeah.
You guys, we're actually on our way back down from the hill, and we're catching just a little piece of the sunset over there. I don't know if you guys can see it just here. That view is just simply amazing. Look at that. So I'm just stopping to show you guys a little piece of the sunset from this point. Hey guys, we are back home from a long and adventurous day. We had so much fun. You had fun, Tyler?
Mama?
Yes, you had fun. How was it for you, babe? You had fun?
That was good.
It was really fun. We had so much fun. The view was everything. It just gets better each and every day when we go on an adventure since we're here. It's been an amazing journey so far, and we have no regret moving here, right, babe?
No, no regret.
So we're home and about to throw this chicken in the oven to roast because it's dinner time. So we're just gonna end the vlog here and chill for the rest of the afternoon. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, share if you wish, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye guys. Say bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye guys. Never get it.